Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best reviews and insights on a wide range of products. Today, we've got something special for all you aquarium enthusiasts out there. If you've been struggling with algae buildup in your aquarium, we've got the solution you've been waiting for. Stay tuned as we introduce you to the best glass cleaner for fish tanks available in the market, the Aqueon Aquarium Algae Cleaning Magnets Glass Acrylic. Alright folks, let's dive right into it. The Aqueon Aquarium Algae Cleaning Magnets Glass Acrylic is a game changer in the world of aquarium maintenance. This small yet mighty tool is designed to make your life easier by effortlessly cleaning the inside of your aquarium glass from the outside. As you can see, it's sleek, compact, and comes in a stylish black finish. But don't let its size fool you, it packs a punch when it comes to keeping your aquarium crystal clear. Now, let's talk about what sets this glass cleaner apart from the rest. First and foremost, it features a strong magnet that makes it incredibly easy to clean the interior of your aquarium without getting your hands wet. No more awkward angles or struggling to reach those hard-to-clean spots. But that's not all. The Aqueon Algae Cleaning Magnet also comes with a weighted scrubber. This feature ensures that the scrubber falls straight down if it gets separated from the magnet, making retrieval a breeze. Plus, the curved pad is designed to clean both flat and curved surfaces with ease. And here's the kicker. You can use it on both glass and acrylic aquariums. It's versatile, practical, and designed to make your aquarium maintenance a breeze. Now, let's hear what actual users have to say about this product. We've done our research, and the Aqueon Algae Cleaning Magnet has received outstanding feedback from satisfied customers. With an impressive 4.6-star rating and over 13,000 reviews, it's clear that aquarium owners love this product. They've praised its ease of use, sturdiness, suction power, and maneuverability. It's truly a must-have for any aquarium enthusiast. But wait, there's more. The Aqueon Algae Cleaning Magnet comes in different sizes to suit your aquarium needs. You can choose from small, medium, large, or mini, depending on the size of your tank. So, whether you have a small desktop aquarium or a large fish tank, there's a size option for you. Now, let's talk about how to use this fantastic tool. It's super simple. Just attach the magnet to the outside of your aquarium, and it will securely hold the scrubber in place. Then, move the magnet around the glass, and watch as it effortlessly removes algae and buildup. The weighted scrubber ensures that it stays in place, and if it does happen to come off, it falls straight down for easy retrieval. One of the great things about this product is that you don't have to replace the entire cleaner when the scrubber pad wears out. Aqueon offers replacement scrubber pads, so you can keep using this fantastic tool for years to come. And if you're looking to enhance your aquarium's water quality, consider adding accessories like the Aquatic Experts Aquarium Filter Floss or the Aquarium Carbon Pad, both of which are available on Amazon. These products complement the Aqueon Algae Cleaning Magnet, ensuring that your aquarium stays in top condition. So there you have it, folks. The Aqueon Aquarium Algae Cleaning Magnets Glass Acrylic, the best glass cleaner for fish tanks you can find in the market. It's efficient, versatile, and a real game changer when it comes to maintaining your aquarium. You can find this fantastic product on Amazon, and if you act fast, you might even snag it at a discounted price. Plus, with Amazon's easy return policy, you can shop with confidence. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy aquarium cleaning, everyone!